Hello friends, my name is Ashutosh Kumar Singh. At present, I am pursuing JKDNA course from JETKING Porbandar Learning Center. Today, I will show you how to use ping commands and why you use ping command. Basically, we use ping command to see whether a host or a client is present in a network or connected to a network. So to do that, we'll go to the PC and see. I'll show you how to use ping commands. Thank you.
Today I will show you how to connect a client to a domain server, that is whether a client is connected to a network or not. So to check that, we'll use ping command from the command prompt. So to use that, let's see how we can see. So first of all, we'll use Windows run key, then here we will type cmd. You can see the windows of command prompt. Now here we will type ping command, ping, and the domain name. Suppose I want to check whether I am connected to a Google server or not. So to check that, I will type the domain name, that is www.google.com, and then I will press enter. You can see that pinging is taking place. Now there will be a request timeout when the router will not detect your ping command. So after that, you can see here there is a packets of size 4 being sent and received. Here the packets are determined that if you send 4 packets and receive 4 packets and lost is 0%, that means you are connected in network. That means you are connected to the server of Google. And in case if you send 4 packets and receive 0 packets and lost 4 packets and 100% will be lost, then that means you are not connected to the server of Google. So that means you are not connected to a network, or you can say a local host or a client or a host is not connected to a Google domain servers, so he will not be able to access google.com. Thank you.